Here I have Samsung Galaxy Note 5 and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, tap apps icon right here. Let's find and select the settings. Let's scroll down and here let's find and select the general management. So here I have the general management right here. Let's choose reset and choose reset network settings. Tap reset settings right here, but you have to be aware that this will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. And to confirm the operation, tap reset settings again. The device is restoring the default settings to the network, and that's it. Everything went well, network settings have been reset. You can go back and start using your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.